All right, here's some more practice examples for the binomial times a trinomial. All right, remember everything from each parenthesis needs to be multiplied by everything from the other parenthesis. So the 2x here needs to be multiplied by this, by that, and by that. And then the negative 5 needs to be multiplied by the same thing, that, and that. Okay? So let's do the 2x first. So 2x times 2x squared, you multiply the 2's in front first, which you get 4. And then since this one has a 1, right, there's one x there, and there's 2 x's there, you have 3 x's now. So x to the third. Okay? So then 2x times negative 5x. So 2 times 5 is 10. So negative 10. And then x times x. Remember, there's a 1 there. So now there are 2 x's. And then 2x times negative 8. The 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. And since there's only 1x, there's 1x there. Okay? That's just the first part. Now I got to multiply the negative 5 times everything over there as well. Okay, so negative 5 times 2x squared, negative 10x squared. Okay, there's only 2x. There's only 2 x's there, so I'm multiplying that. And then negative 5 times negative 5x. Well, negative times a negative is a positive, 25, and then with an x. And then negative 5 times negative 8 is positive 40, okay? I know I did it right so far because there are 2 terms in this first parenthesis and 3 terms in the second one. And when I multiply those, I'm going to get 6 terms, okay? 2 times 3. And right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what should happen. All right. So then you just combine like terms. So the 4x to the third, there is no other x to the third. So 4x to the third, that comes down. The negative 10x squared, there's another x squared over here, negative 10x squared. So negative 10 minus 10 is negative 20, and then x squared. When you're adding them, you don't add the exponents. You just bring whatever variable it is. And then you do the x's. Okay, I got negative 16x plus 25x. It should be plus 9x there when you add them together. You just add the numbers. And then 40 on the back. There's no other single number. So that is it. So your answer is going to be, exponent of 3, exponent of 2, exponent of 1, and then no exponent. Okay? I will do this one using the box method, but you'll get the same answer here. So I'm going to make a box. Since I have 3 terms here, I'm going to make 3 columns. Since I have 2 terms there, you make 2 rows. So you should have 6 boxes there. Put the 3-term trinomial up here, 4x squared minus 7x minus 3. Put the 2-term over here, 4x in the first row, negative 6 in the second row, and you just match up the rows, match up the numbers. So this first upper left box is these 2 numbers. So 4 times 4, 16. Let's change the color. And then x squared times x is x to the third. 4x times negative 7x, you get negative 28. And then x times x is is x squared. 4x times negative 3 is negative 12, and then you have an x. All right? Then you do the same thing with the negative 6 and the 4x squared. So you get negative 24 x squared. Negative 6 times negative 7x, you have 42x. And then negative 6 times negative 3, you have 18. Okay, so remember, the diagonals match up. Okay, so I only have one x to the third, so that comes down. And then negative 24 and negative 28, they both have x squared. So I'm going to add those numbers together, which you get negative 52 x squared. The 42 and the negative 12, they both have an x. So that is a plus 30x, and then the plus 18 in the back. All right? And that's the box method. So you get to pick, either one here. Either one. All right? If you have any questions, let me know.